Why do you choose to teach class 9th and 10th students?
Because I can teach these classes, and as well as I can focus on my studies. Means my main goal is I want to teach JEE NEET student, so it is easier to me. That's why I'm teaching 9th, 10th physics, chemistry,
What subject do you enjoy teaching the most?
chemistry,
Okay, and
and because it is my main subject, as I have done my master's in chemistry, so that's why I love this subject
okay.
most.
What's the biggest challenge students face at this age?
At this age, means they are confused which teacher they choose. In choosing the teachers, sometimes they just choose the coaching institute which are very reputed, but that's later on they realize that this coaching is not good, or maybe or quite good just, but and the way of teaching are not good. The way of teaching of teachers is not good. Then they are roaming here and there for private teachers, and then sometimes students are struggling up to their 10th class, 10th class. So these things I have noticed this in this period.
Okay, what's one common problem you see in most students?
Uh, Sometimes they don't know how to reading the book actual. They don't know how to attempt the one word one word definitions. They just read and just write. They don't know what is the main point in this topic, in this definition, like this.
Okay. Do parents put too much pressure on kids these days?
Yes. Uh, Student can do good, can do good in this in his her studies, but sometimes I feel parents puts more pressure on their child. But I think sometimes this is not need. This is not need. No need to pressurize the child. Sometimes.
How do you keep students motivated?
Okay, student. Just reading and understand the concept, what it is called, what is said, what is the real meaning of this concept, and if you reading the concept, understanding the concept, then read this concept just like means you are becoming a teacher.
Okay.
In this manner, and then they are motivated and confident, feel confident as they follow my rules. Then
What's the best moment you have had as a tutor?
okay, best moment when the result has come. Then I know what will be the result, and their parents called me for thanking me, and then that moment and means I can't tell, but it means it motivated me also. It always motivates me.
How do you make tough topics easy for students?
And so I always start a topic with the I'm doing as easier examples. That taking an easier example with, to which are connected that topic, so it is easy. And I ask again and again if I feel she or he didn't understand, then I will again ask if you understand this, if you understood this, then teach me how will you explain this topic. So this is it.
How do you handle students who get distracted easily?
Mm, by asking questions in the middle class when class is going on. I just say to him like stand up and ask ask about this question, ask about this concept, what's going on, what did you understand, like this. And no matter he or she not reply, I just catch what's going in his or her mind. So I will give suggestions for him to like please focus on studies like this.
What message would you give to teachers who are just starting?
Who also started in this career.
Yes.
Mm, I will give suggestions on this. First, understand the whole concept so clearly, so crystal clear, and then start teaching. It's just not just for time pass.
Oh. Thank you so much for talking with me. It's a pleasure to talk to you.
Okay, welcome.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.